An elephant is pregnant with a 4-month-old baby elephant. The baby currently weighs less than 30 grams. However, it is still 18 months away from birth. By then, its weight will increase to around 100 kilograms. These weights are all carried by the mother, making this possibly the hardest pregnancy on Earth. During the 22 months of pregnancy, the female elephant must endure several dry seasons, rainy seasons, and countless threats from predators. An elephant is pregnant with a 4-month-old baby elephant. The baby currently weighs less than 30 grams. However, it is still 18 months away from birth. By then, its weight will increase to around 100 kilograms. These weights are all carried by the mother, making this possibly the hardest pregnancy on Earth. By the 12th month of development, the baby elephant's body begins to take shape. Although its ears are still developing, it has started to use its sensitive foot pads to listen to the outside world. Elephant toes and back heels have specialized cells capable of perceiving sound vibrations from the herd's communication. At this stage, the baby also recognizes its mother's voice. 10 months later, the calf is born. A newborn elephant has blurry vision and feels emotional distress. But it hears its mother's familiar voice and the comforting sounds of other female elephants. These gentle sounds help calm the newborn. Additionally, the mother's eyes secrete a unique fluid, not tears, but a signaling substance that conveys excitement. The scent of the mother after giving birth travels through the breeze and can attract predators. To protect the newborn, the herd buries the placenta and covers the area with dirt to mask the smell. The baby elephant is born into a challenging environment. To ensure safety, the scent of the mother's milk guides the newborn to stand up and move away from the scene as quickly as possible. At this time, the grasslands are in the dry season and the calf is at risk of dehydration. To survive, the herd splits into smaller groups to search for water. When one group finds a water source, they communicate with others using low-frequency sound waves transmitted through the ground. These sound waves are not easily attenuated and can travel over long distances, sometimes even hundreds of kilometers. The sensitive cells in an elephant's feet pick up these vibrations. The information is then transmitted to their inner ears for interpretation. At this time, a herd of elephants located 4.8 kilometers away begins an incredible process of communication. Using their feet and emitting low-frequency sound waves, they send a signal into the ground. These sound waves, also known as infrasound, travel vast distances, even hundreds of kilometers, without losing strength. Low-frequency sound waves are unique in nature. Unlike higher-frequency sounds, they are not easily absorbed by the environment, allowing them to travel far, even around the curvature of the Earth. This gives elephants an extraordinary ability to communicate across great distances, sharing vital information that ensures the survival of the herd. When a water source has been found, elephants in one group adjust the position of their feet, carefully comparing the strength and direction of the incoming sound waves. By doing so, they can pinpoint the exact location of the other herd and determine the direction they must travel. This remarkable ability is not just a skill, but a survival tool that elephants have mastered over thousands of years. Beyond their own communication, elephants have also adapted to the natural world around them. Storms, for instance, produce low-frequency sound waves similar to those generated by the elephants. Remarkably, elephants can sense these sound waves, allowing them to detect rain or stormy weather from as far as 160 kilometers away. In the harsh environment of the savanna, this gives them a critical advantage, guiding them to water or vegetation during the dry season. After confirming the location of the water source, the herd begins the long journey to reach it. For the elephants, the path is challenging, but for the baby calf, it is a near impossible task. Already exhausted and on the verge of dehydration, the newborn struggles to keep pace. While adult elephants take steady, deliberate steps, the calf must take 6 steps for every 1 step of its mother. To the little one, this is like jogging across the harsh, arid terrain. The journey is long and arduous, but the elephants are determined. Together they traverse the dry, cracked savanna, enduring heat and exhaustion for the promise of water. Finally, after what feels like an eternity, the herd arrives at their destination, a life-giving water source. The journey of these majestic elephants reminds us of the delicate balance of nature, the strength of family, and the extraordinary resilience of life. Their story is a testament to the power of unity and adaptation in the face of immense challenges. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure into the heart of the wild. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to continue exploring the wonders of the natural world. This is Wild Vibes, where the wild comes alive.